Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Children's Mama Sagari Channel of a Healer o Zumatoider. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos of data. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads sa way pagpalain kayo. Nang just at may kapal, siksik-liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manibalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirit for this sign of Cancer. Let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, ito ngayon at bulabugin natin angel spirit. Please give me information po. There's 2 of Wands by choices, no? Piliin mo or may mga bagay na pagpipilian mo. Ano to? There's something choices. Options, no? And there's a page of Cups by your intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Kung ano yung pipiliin mo dito. Okay. Let's see what is additional messages. Because there's something na higher for a lesson learned. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mo matutunan. No? There's something a past situation na kailangan mong pakakatandaan kung ano man yung nangyari sa isa nakaraan. And there's an item because with a wish fulfillment, so may mga bagay na matutupad na. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo na. And there's the Sun card with a pure positive outcome na magiging maganda raw ang kalalabasan nito na magdadala sa inyo ng something and new beginning and success. And there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking finances na papasok sa'yo. What is the 2 of Wands? No, may mga pagpipilian ka dito or may tao na pipiliin mo, no? Let's see. And there's something, the Ace of Cups. See, I told you, sabi ko na nga ba eh, tungkol sa love offer. There's a new love and there's something, a current situation with a love involvement, no? Meron kang asawa pero meron kang nagugustuhan. Totoo ba? There's a Page of Cups, represent what? Reference with the 3 of Wands. There's a waiting for a ship, no? May hinihintay kang mangyari. May hinihintay kang dumating. O merong, kumbaga, may pumapasok sa isip mo na posibleng, kumbaga, yun ang magiging solution. And this is the Hierophant. Reference with the Empress card, no? There's a religious factor. Ibig sabihin dito, this is something spiritual. Ibig sabihin may orasyon na binanggit o ibig sabihin ginagayuma ka, no? There's an Empress card, babae. What is the Knight of Cups? Reference with the 3 of Cups. 3 of Pentacles. No, there's something collaborations, communications, no, na magdadala sa inyo ng success. What is the Sun card? The Sun card represents with a full card for a leap of faith. Na dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo, this is the moment na para mag-succeed ka. This is the Ace of Pentacles represents with a Magician for manifestation. No, kumbaga unti-unti mo na ma-manifest yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari. And there's something in the offer. Now with that Ace of Pentacles, so this is something a big break. No, and this is the moment para magtuloy-tuloy na rin at ang iyong finances, no, financial windfall. What is the 2 of Wands? Because the Ace of Cups. So there's a Chariot card, an action and movement. Nagkakaroon ka ng back and forth eksena. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga may nararamdaman kang pupunta ka sa ganito, aalis sa ganito. Kumbaga, pabago-bago ang iyong nararamdaman, no? Dahil dito sa gayuma. There's a Page of Cups because the 3 of Wands. Represent what? Represent with the Knight of Swords with the success driven. Huwag ka mag-alala. There's something na bibilis ang takbo ng eksena na maaaring pumabor sa'yo. No, kailangan makinig ka sa intuitions mo. What is the higher power? Because the Empress card. And there's the Queen of Wands, no? Kailangan mo lakasan ng pakiramdam mo. No, itong tao na to, malaki ang tama sa'yo. Malakas ang tama sa'yo. What is the Knight of Cups? Because the 3 of Pentacles. Represent with the Ace of Wands, no? There's something a new beginning coming in for you. May bagong eksena rin daw dito. No, bagong trabaho, bagong business. And there's an Ace of Swords representing with a Sun card and the Full card. Now there's something breakthrough, No, you are on the spotlight. Maaaring kumaga, maaaring titingalain ka dito, kikilalanin ka, at maaaring magiging matagumpay ka dito. May nakikita ko dito kumaga professional, no, na trabaho. There's an Ace of Pentacles that requires the Magician. Represent what? So let's see. Represent with the Judgment. Oh, this is a wake-up call. No, pinapaalalahanan ka rin dito, pay attention. No, kung ano yung mga pumapasok sa isip mo, gawin mo. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Knight of Pentacles, no? There's a secure. Maging secure ka about sa pera dahil there's a financial loss or financial crisis. Some of you makakaranas ng mga pagbagal ng pasok ng pera. And there's a Four of Swords by intuitions, no? Kailangan mo ng pahinga. Marami pumapasok sa utak mo. There's an inner voice, no? There's something, parang siya, gabay, no? May, kumaga, makinig ka sa inner voice mo. What is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, there's a 12 card with a partnership and the Moon card with something a truth reveal. Na malalantad dito, about sa kaugnayan, pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Meron ako nagsisense dito, nagpapadala ka ng pera. Or nagbibigay ka ng pera and there's an 8 of Wands. Now, there's something of fast communication and fast movement. Bibilis daw ang takbo ng eksena na to. Na pagdating sa finances mo, maaaring lumago ang iyong finances. So, let's see about sa love life. There's a Hermit card. See, I told you, this is a spiritual lines, no? Talaga may kaugnayan about sa ginawa sa'yo. There's a spiritual involvement na ginayuma ka. There's a Page of Wands by good news. May magandang balita daw dito. And this is something that, see, I told you, your ex, no? Ginawang ka ng, or either your current situation, no? It's either an ex or friend na gumawa sa'yo. What is additional messages? Hindi maka-move on to, ha? What is additional messages for health? So this is a Knight of Cups. There's an offer. And there's something, the Ten of Swords, no? There's a sabotage. Umiiwas ka sa mga bawal sa'yo. No? May pagkamatigas ang ulo mo dito. No? Umiiwas ka sa mga bawal. What is additional messages for synchronicities? Represent what? What is the synchronicities? Represent what? And there is a something spring. There is a something blossoming. And there's a winter, no? Maaring masagot lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's the world, no? Maaring makaalis ka ulit, no? Makapag-ibang bansa ka ulit dito. There's the world with trouble and success. So let's see what is the magical fairy messages represent what? What is the magical fairy messages represent what? Represent be yourself. No, maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. No, iwasan mo magpanggap at magsinungaling sa sarili mo. And there's a holiday. No, ngayong holiday season, magkakaroon kayo ng time sa isa't isa, ng person mo. Or this is something a gateway. Na parang ito yung tamang panahon para magkaroon kayo ng time sa isa't isa. For additional messages for Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, there's a dream, a message, no? Naaaring nananaginip ka, some of nowhere, no? And there's something chemistry. Talaga may chemistry kayo na person mo, oh. And there's something luck and doubt. Na may pag-alinlangan na parang pagdadalawang isip at maaring kumbaga nawawala ka ng kumpiyansa, kailangan i-boost mo yung confidence mo. Natatakot kang sumubok o natatakot kang ilaban. What is the Romance Angels represent what? And there's something, I'm sorry, no? May hihingi ng tawad from the past. And this is something, a romantic feeling. Na talagang ibabalik yung kilig, pagmamahal sa isa't isa. O hihingi ka ng tawad sa person mo. No? Or may hihingi ng tawad sa'yo. Maaaring yan sinungaling, niloko mo, o niloko ka, ganon. So let's see what is additional messages for the chakra messages. And there's something guilt. Di ba? May taong may galit sa'yo. And there's something destiny to happen. Talagang nasa palad mong mangyari to. And there's a grip. No? Kumbaga, there's something losses. May mga nawawala sa, or may mga umaalis, may nililisan ka. Kumbaga, kasama siya sa buhay na tatahakin mo. It's an opportunity to appreciate things, no? Kaya siya nawala, inalis siya kasi makakasama siya sa'yo. And there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka na at the end of the time. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael. Meron ako nakikitang obsession dito. Na maaaring obsessed tong tao na to sa'yo. What is Archangel Michael messages? And there's something right about your thought and feeling. No? Lagi ka makikinig sa gut feeling mo. And you can create your situation and you have the power to change it. No? Ikaw ay naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, kaya nangyayari to. No? Kaya nangyayari to dahil, kumbaga, pinasok mo tong gantong eksena. Kaya kailangan lusutan mo at kailangan makaalis ka dyan. And there's a lean on God and angel support. Na ginagabay at sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's something autumn, harvest moment. This is the moment. And there's an astral travel. No? Kumbaga, there's something in intuitions. Kumbaga, see past life. Ibig sabihin nangyari ito sa nakaraang buhay mo. Na parang there's something, a lesson kang kailangan mong pakakatandaan para hindi na maulit. Para may pangitain eh. There's something reincarnation din na ako nakita dito. No? May pangitain sa'yo pero hindi ka nakinig. What is additional messages? A death card. This is something that ending and in your beginning. May mga bagay na tatapusin na. May mga bagay na magsisimula na. And this is something imagination. Gamitin mo yung intuitions mo para makapag-create ka ng mga ideas. Let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. And there's an unconditional joy. Na meron ditong kaligayahan na hindi mo ma-explain. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a wait. No? Marunong ka maghintay. May mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. And this is something the whale and the oracle elders for something a divine deep. Napakalalim nito. No? Parang sinasabi na kailangan maging tahimik ka. Na huwag ka magbibigay ng mga impormasyon ng mga tao sa paligid mo. What is additional messages? And there's a talk to your angels. Na kailangan mo kausapin yung mga gabay mo. And there's something is rancor. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. What is the Monsology represent what? For Monsology represent a fairy climax approaches, no? Para sinasabi na sa exciting part ka na, malapit ka na. And there's something show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga. Diba? May mga kakayanan, kaalaman ka na kailangan mong, kumbaga, ilabas or kailangan i-share. So let's see what is additional messages with an energy. With an energy represent what? The sun. Wow! This is something pure positivity or enlightenment. May mga bagay na magliliwanag sa iyo. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo matutuklasan. Oh my God, ay, sabi ko na nga ba, may mangkukulam eh. Ginayuma ka, oh. See, nakikita mo yan? And there's something the world. No, maaring, kumbaga na sa ibang bansa ka, or maaring, kumbaga, taga ibang bansa, or either nandito sa Pilipinas, gano'n, or sa ibang bansa, gano'n. Let's see what is the romance angels for love life. Maliliwanagan ka kung sino, meron ka ng hinala eh. What is the romance angels? Represent what? And there's something, let your friends help you. Naayaan mo mga kaibigan mo, tulungan ka. And this is something romantic feeling, no? Parang ibabalik dito yung kilig, pagmamahal. No? Let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? And there's a romance na malaking factor talaga sa sa eksena mo o sa reading mo ang love life. No, may third wheel talaga dito na maaaring naghumantong sa hindi magandang eksena. Ginayuma ka, kinulam ka pa. And there's an listen to your intuitions. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. And this situation will improve. Unti-unti na magbabago ang sitwasyon mo. What is the Jesus loving quote said? And sinasabi dito, He that believe on me, the works that I do shall he do, and the greater works that they shall he do, because I go to my Father, no? Maniwala ka lang daw sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa mo, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos, at lahat ng mga bagay nito ay makakabuti. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, para sa mga tao na sa paligid mo. No? At yung pagkakaloob niyo yung mga bagay na yon, ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So let's see what is the angel's number. Represent what? Angel's number represent with a 0440 for the gut feeling. See? Sabi ko na nga ba, may gut feeling ka, may intuition ka eh. Mayroon kang instinct ka eh. May vibration ka. Follow your gut. It's more than just a feeling. Be real and with the people and focus on a meaningful relationship. Remember, you also must bring value to the table. Treat others with respect or else karma will bite your ass. 3 is a crown. And this is something 222 for alignment, no? As sinasabi dito, nagkakaroon ng connection or friendship or something romantic relationship na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng something changes, no? Kaya kailangan na, kumbaga, kung ano yung pinangako mo, tuparin mo. How do you move forward towards your life through calling? Do what you make happy. Your enthusiasm is what keep you going. Follow your interest. If it is a pick by something, following these routes will help you discover your life purpose. Na unti-unti mo na maliliwanagan kung ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gawin? Ano ba talaga yung magpapasaya sa'yo? Unti-unti ipapasilip sa'yo yung mga magagandang eksena na magdadala sa'yo ng pag-unlad. Kaya kailangan marunong kang makiramdam, marunong kang pumili, marunong kang dumistansya sa mga taong masyadong greedy, no? Sa isang bagay or obsessed. Kaya kailangan mong kumawala sa isang taong punong-puno na negatibo. What is the messages of life? Represent with unconditional love. Na meron dito pagmamahal talaga na hindi matatawaran. Today, I choose to see that the light is everyone. I seek the divine each being and I accept what others as they are. I bring compassion to all my brother and sister of the life. I offer unconditional love to everyone I meet. I join my soul with theirs so that we may grow together in universal love. So talagang, 'di ba, kumbaga yung parang pagiging matulungin mo, pagiging mabait mo, parang binigyan ng parang kahulugan, no? Binigyan ng meaning. Kaya parang itong tao na to, ang lakas ng tama sa iyo, no? Parang na-obsess siya sa iyo eh. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of February 17 hanggang February 23 for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasalo. Pero don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos of Direct. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo at maraming salamat din sa inyo next video. Bye-bye and babush!